Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Alexis. Today I'm going to be doing another Marvel inspired makeup look, but today I'm going to be doing something a little more dramatic, and I'm going to be going for the Black Panther look. So I'm going to be doing a black and purple themed eye. What that means basically is his suit is black, and the energy whenever he gets, like his kinetic energy, whenever he gets hit, his suit lights up purple, and I just love a black and purple combination. So I thought that would be so much fun to do today. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright, so today I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette. Again, it's the Color Burst palette. There are a ton of colors in it. If you don't know, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's got like this massive range of colors in here. So it's really good when you want to do more colorful looks and that sort of thing. I was going to use some of my ColourPop eyeshadows, but I was like, I don't want to be confusing you guys going back and forth between two different products. And I thought, why the hell not? I already have everything I need in my 35B palette. I'll just use that. So I've already done my foundation, my concealer, my eyeshadow primer, and my eyebrows. And I have to say, my eyebrows look amazing today. I'm pretty proud of that. So the first color I'm going to be going in with is this color here, this light purple. And it's a matte shade, which is really great for doing as a transition. I'm going to be going in with my E2 ColourPop blush. I always do this. My ColourPop brush. It's the E2, and I'm just going to start dusting this over my crease. Now I'm using this as the transition color because I'm going to be doing a lot of black and a lot of purple, but I want to keep it like a pretty bright purple but a really deep smoky black eye. So I'm laying this down to give some dimension and some depth. And also to make it really easy to blend my colors out later. Oh, that's a pretty color. That's a really pretty color on its own. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I primed my eyeshadow base with my MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the color Painterly. And the reason that I use that is I've said it in another one of my videos, but if you're new to my channel and you haven't watched any of my other videos, the Painterly Paint Pot, it comes in a ton of different shades. And you can get nice flesh toned neutral shades. And the reason I like doing that is because my eyelids are different colors from my skin. So I like to use that because it gives me a nice wash of like a nice perfect base to work from, like a nice, like when you're a painter, you paint your whole canvas white and then you start from scratch. So that's basically what doing an eyeshadow base does. All right, so next I'm going to be going in with this slightly deeper purple shade here on the same brush, and I'm just going to start really packing in the color. And I'm kind of being messy with this because it is more of a smoky look. It's also my friend Kevin's birthday. My friend Moira that was on my channel before, it's her husband. It's his birthday today. I'm not going to say how old he is in case he gets embarrassed, but it's a big birthday. And we're going out to this place called Rose Cottage, and we're all going to have drinkies and we're going to have food. Unfortunately, my hubby is not feeling well this morning at all. He's saying it feels like there's something sitting on his chest. So unfortunately, he's not going to be able to make it, but I will be there. So I'm really excited about going out. But I haven't been feeling very well the past few days myself. So I'm wondering if it's just like a small cold going around or something like that. But I'm actually feeling quite a bit better today. I was worried that I wasn't going to be able to go. But yeah, so everything seems to have turned out for me all right. So which means I will get to go back to work tomorrow, which I'm very excited about. I missed work last week. on Friday I missed work because I just felt so unwell. But you know, as the days have gone on and I've really like taken time to rest and everything. Like last night when we came home from the movies, I thought I was gonna die. Like I was just so tired. I just felt like, I don't know, it was weird. I felt so run down and just so like my eyelids were heavy. I just wanted to go to sleep so badly. And actually I did. I went to sleep around 6 o'clock, woke up around 10, and then promptly went right back to sleep. So, and I woke up at 8:30 this morning, 8 o'clock, 8:30 this morning, feeling very well rested, feeling 10 times better. So obviously my body really needed that rest. And I feel much better for having it. All right, so those are my two purples laid down. So now I'm going to be going in with a smaller brush. This is my E9 brush from ColourPop. I'm going to be going into this darker purple, this darker purple here. This is a very deep dark purple, and the reason I'm going in with this smaller brush is because I want this to stay in my crease. I'm not going to be bringing it up as high as I've brought the other two colors, so I'm really kind of focusing this color. And I'm even bringing it a little farther down onto my eyelid. I really wish I had a silver eyeshadow. I'm going to check my other palettes and see if I have a silver eyeshadow, because I might actually put that on my eyelid. That would be super sexy. Because I'm not quite sure where I'm going with this look. Like I kind of sort of planned it out in my head, but at the same time I'm like, you know, makeup is so expressive and there's so many different things you can do with it. You know, why not play around with it a bit? So I might actually just kind of stick with the black on my eyelid. Now that's going to look really weird and really dramatic, but the way I have it planned out in my head, hopefully it's going to be pretty. And it better be pretty because I've got this party to go to. I don't plan on drinking myself because, like I said, I haven't been feeling very well the past couple of days. So I don't want to like jinx myself and then, you know, feel like crap and not be able to go to work tomorrow, because I really, I need to go to work tomorrow. You know, I need that kind of interaction. I need that, you know, I need that kind of energy, basically. And you know, all the nurses I work with are really great and super supportive and really nice. And yeah, so I want to be there for my team. Wow, that purple has turned out so pretty. Oh yes, yes. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I've actually decided I am gonna put the black on my eyelid. Just trying to work out how I want to do it so that my eyes don't look like this big. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start going in, and then I might put something over the black to kind of shine it up a bit. Maybe like a pewter color or something like that to make it just a bit shinier so it's not so matte. Because he does have silver on his, T'Challa has silver on his costume. So if I kind of did, you know, this silvery kind of overlay, I think that would be really sexy. Ooh, that looks good. I like that. That looks really good. And it doesn't make my eyes look super teeny tiny, which, you know, I like a lot. And I've just realized I've left open my back door so that my cat could look outside and like mew at the birds and stuff like that. But you're gonna get a lot of street noise, which I was not intending on, so saws. Oh, I think that looks really cool. Oh, that is so dramatic. That's awesome. Loving it. All right, so I'm just gonna check in a couple of my other palettes real quick, just to see if any of them have like a really pretty silver pewtery kind of color, because I definitely want to put something right in the middle of my eye to help make my eyes pop a little bit. Perfect. All right, so I just checked my BYS palette, and it's got this beautiful color here that is called Smoke. So I'm going to use that to put a pop of color right in the middle. It's a really beautiful pewter silvery color. Yeah, I think that does a lot to open my eye up and to make it look a bit bigger. So I really like that. Whew. All right, so I'm not gonna go in with a liner because I really want to do like a winged liner, but at the same time, this is so pretty. I don't want to stuff it up, and I know that if I do a winged liner, it's gonna stuff it up, but at the same time, ooh, it would look so hot with this. No, I'm not gonna do a winged liner. I'm not gonna stuff this up. Moving on. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start smoking out my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with that first purple color and lay that down. And I'm kind of being a little messy with this because I kind of want to blow this smoke out. I'm using my smudge brush from AConTour. All right, next I'm going to start, I'm going to just go in the same order that I did before. And I'm just going to start smudging and smoking this out. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I think what it's called is tight line. So I'm going to get an angled brush and I'm going to run that black literally in my lash line. Not my waterline, my lash line. So this darker purple color, I'm just going to focus this on the outer corner of my eye and connect up the two purples that I've got. That is so nice. I'm really proud of the way this is coming out. This eye is watering, so the pigment is not wanting to stick to my eye. It's really annoying me. Ooh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, so now I'm taking the end of my Shade and Define brush from AConTour, going into the black, and I'm just going to wiggle that on my lash line. And I don't think I'm going to bring that all the way across because I do like the way that that looks on this eye. So I'm just going to do like the outer third of my lash line, not going really any farther than my pupil if you take a look. So you can see where I've gone just about to my pupil with the black, and that's really, really pretty. Now, I don't have a purple, I do have a purple, hang on, let's see. How is, all right, this is the NYX Jumbo Pencil, and I was thinking about, no, I'm not going to put that on my inside corner because I think that would be like way too dark. And I really like the way this eye look is as is. I do want to put just a pop of color on my inner corner. I think I'll do a matte white on my inner corner. Lost my train of thought. I am going to go in with my MAC Pro Longwear eyeliner in the color Definitely Black. I'm going to line my upper and lower lid, or upper and lower waterline. Alright, so I'm going to go in with that matte white color. Just going to pop that in my inner tear duct. See, that just opens up the eye just the tiniest bit. Ooh, damn, this is looking pretty damn good. I'm happy. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do mascara and finish up the rest of my face, and then we'll come back for lippy, and then we'll be done. Alright, now for lips, I have been dying to try this ever since I picked it up. It is the color Brave, and this is by NYX. This is the Love Out Loud collection. So it's this color here, and I think I found the perfect day to try it on. So I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Berry Blush, lip liner. Because this color is so dark, it doesn't really matter what you've got on underneath it. Here goes nothing, ladies and germs. All right, so I'm gonna wait for this to dry down and then we'll finish up the video. All right, guys, so this is my final look. I love the way this came out. I think that my little, Avengers Marvel inspired series is super fun. I keep going through my head of different characters that I want to try different looks for. So if you guys have any suggestions, just let me know, and then I'll pull up some pictures and try and get some inspiration from them, like I've done with Captain America, Captain America, with Iron Man, and now with T'Challa or the Black Panther. So I am really happy with the way this turned out. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!